Okay, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is tutorial Photoshop part 2 and I'm going to show you how to change background color on your photo. Firstly, how to open your photo. Go to File and click Open. Then go to your file where you save and open it. After that, duplicate layer and click Pen tool that look like a pen on the left side of your Photoshop. Click one dot on the photo, and when you want to start selection, click another dot where you want to continue, and go on small distance for each. If you want to finish quickly, click another little far distance. It is okay that line will not be on the photo. Click one dot in the middle of the line and cut it the same with the photo switcher. Then select around the photo till let's start me with the first dot. During when you are continue dog and making selection, and when you want a detail of your photo and use the microscope and then use the hand beside the left side of the toolbox and then use it to move a bar or lower or beside or side to side. You can move it from remove it with the hand tool. After that, if you want to go on, if you want to make small, you use small zoom out and then you can see the photo became smaller. Okay, and then after your last dot meet with the first dot, click enter. You will see dots around the photo. At that time, click Ctrl+J on your keyboard. You will see that it was separated from copy photo. Then choose the color inset foreground or background. Then go to edit and choose fill for ground or background where you choose the color. Click OK. You will see color. You choose and you fill color you feel appear behind your selection photo. Okay, let's try. Firstly, okay, this one I already go to the file and open and then choose a photo and then open it and then go to the toolbar and click pen tool. See also they have if you put in the click in the icon, you will see the pen tool, the name of the tool. And there is the hand tool. Here when you click, you move around, and also here is microscope. You can bigger using the zoom out and you can smaller. Okay, firstly, after we choose the pen tool, go to the background and right click and duplicate layer first, because we don't want the original photo deleted or destroyed it. Okay, use copy photo, PHOTO. Okay, and you will have a copy photo and using the microscope. Okay, zoom out and yes, zoom in. Okay, here we go. Also, another thing, you can use Control Tab or Alt Tab. Control Tab is zoom out, zoom in, sorry, and then other tab is zoom out, so that you can use. Let me put CTRL control plus tab. It is zoom set or zoom in, and control plus Alt plus tab is zoom out, set or zoom out, zoom out, and tab bar is hand tool. You can use hand tool to move around the photo. Okay, let's go to photo and continue. Okay, here is pen tool, and we're using control tab, zoom in, and one dot menu, and then continue one dot. Okay, small step you can continue going. Okay, like this. You can move around, and then using tab, and you can move, right? So tab, move, and then let's go to the long distance. How will we? Okay, here we go. So the line will not be, the slashing will not be around there, your image or photo. At that time you use clip bar, and then use control. When you click the control, it became the arrow. So by using the arrow, you move the dot on the image of your photo. Then click, and then click on the line using control, and then on the put where you want to. Then click. But continue this way. I continue like this. Okay. Click. Okay. When you make a mistake, control plus control or Alt control plus Alt plus Z. That means you're going back. So that your mistake disappear at the moment. Okay. And then continue like this. Put on the line, on the dot on the line, and then click control, and when it becomes the arrow, move the dot on the curve, or move the arrow to where you want to put. Okay. Let's continue like this, and then take the last dot meet with the first dot. Okay, and then move around. So this one is, you don't need to make detail on the photo because there's only one line, so you just make a long distance one line, and then go to like this, and then meet with the last end. And after that, what we have to do is control plus enter, control enter. So you will see many dot around the photo. At that time, what you have to do is Ctrl plus J. So you will see. So what is different? If you put like this, you will not see any different. So what you can do is close them, copy photo and background photo. So you will see. And also here it became like this, and then go to copy photo and then choose the color. So this one is we call the set color. We put like that. The upper one is we call foreground, and then the second one is we call background. So by choosing this color, wherever you want to fill on the background, just choose it, like in the white color. So when you click on the white color of foreground, you will see the color box, and then choose wherever you want, which color you want. So here, okay, the green you want, okay, you choose green. Okay, how about this color? You can choose the blue or something like this. For this one is the background color. After that, go to edit and fill. Okay, here you will see the content. There was a use and there was a foreground, and then when you click the arrow, you will see the foreground, background, or color. So here is you also can choose the color again to fill for your background. So here is we already have chosen the color for foreground, so click for the background, and this one is for the blending. It means that there are so many effects you can use to color your background. So now we just use normal to fit. When you make any different, okay, here is normal. So the color already changed on your background. So this one is the color for your background. Okay, this one color. Let's see. You want to change to duplicate. Let's duplicate here, and then let's change another color. Go to edit and fill. The green one is the foreground, right? So another one will be the background color. Then click OK. So here we go. This one is the background for the photo. Okay, which color do you like? If you like the green color, you can close the eye for the blue. So it became the green color for your background. So this is the end of my tutorial lesson for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also if you have anything to add or any suggesting and you want to learn more about the Photoshop and how to use tools, you can click comment and then give suggestion or give me a notice that what you want to learn. Thank you for today and see you next week.